Today we are going to solve this problem you have here. So the problem says derive the value of y. Given this network, what will be the expression for y? Let's now solve it step by step. So the first thing you want to do in this problem is to split this problem into two parts. So you want to solve for layer 1. So if you split it from here, so you have layer 1, you want to solve for layer 1 to get the output for layer 1, and then you apply that as inputs to layer 2. So let's now assume that we have the output of layer 1 to be y prime, okay? So let's solve first for the value, for the expression for y prime. Y prime is going to be x times w1 plus a1. We apply the activation. So we are going to have w1 x, right? w1x plus a1, right? And we apply the activation. And this is going to be our y prime. Right? So these are y prime. Now, actual y is going to be y is equal to, is going to now be, this is the input to this layer, right? So it's going to be w2 dot, and now instead of using x here, we now use the output from this layer, dot y prime, okay, dot y prime, plus the bias, the second bias, which is A2, and of course we apply the activation 2. So this is the final output of this network. However, in a neural network, we cannot have the intermediate parameters or the intermediate terms. So in this case, we have this y prime. It's an intermediate term we introduced. It's not part of the network parameters. So we are going to substitute y in this equation using the y from here. So finally, we are going to have, this is going to be alpha 2, and I'm going to start a new bracket, and we are going to have we are going to have alpha 2, which is this, and then we are going to have w2. Now we are going to substitute the expression for y here. So we are going to have w2, right? This w2, and we are going to substitute the expression for, and I think we got this wrong. This is going to be alpha 1. So we substitute the expression for y prime, and it's going to be alpha 1 and multiply w1 dot x, right, plus a1. So what do we have? We have this, which is this, and we close our brackets, right? We close our brackets. So we have w2 y prime, and we now add plus a2. So this is the final result of this network. This will be the expression for y on this neural network. And this is how to solve every other neural network problem you might face. But let's now verify the result. So how to verify is to make sure that in your final result, all the weights and the biases and activations and inputs, they are represented in your final result. So the inputs, the weights, the biases, the weight biases, the activation, for all the layers, they must be in this final expression of the network. Okay, so let's begin by checking W1. We have W1, A1, X right here. We have activation 1, right here, W2 right here, A2 right here, activation 2 right here. So this is correct, and this is the final result output of this network. And why are we doing this? Because later on we are going to be talking about back propagation, This is the equation of the network that we are going to use to apply partial derivatives and other computation when we do weight updates. So it's crucial for you to understand how to solve problems like this. I'd like to stop here. If this is informative, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and we'll see you in the next part.